how to trade on the stock market using Questrade or CIBC's Investor's Edge, but also how to get the stocks that Warren Buffett invests in. So to get the stocks that Warren Buffett invests in, it's very simple. Just Google it. And obviously look at a trusted source. So CNBC is a trusted source. Just click on it. And then you get the holdings of Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett's investment company, holding company, and and you get the stake in each of these stocks, and you could sort it by stake, so you can see as you can see here, he owns USG Corporation the most. He's got 27% in it. 26% is in Kraft Heinz, which is actually a stock to look into. I believe I placed an order on it at 77, I think, but it's trading right now at 79. Yeah, it's at 79 right now. But as you can see, 52-week range is 75. The lowest is 75. The highest is 97. If you look at a chart, six months, see, it's been going down. 1 year, it's been going down. The highest was at 90 something. So I think it's a good stock to buy. As you could see, if Warren Buffett, if it's a stock that Warren Buffett holds, it's definitely a stock that you should keep watching. And whenever it goes down, just buy it, and then wait for it to go back up. But just because Warren Buffett owns it doesn't mean you should just buy it. Timing is very important. You don't know when he bought it at or at what price he bought it at. But at least these are stocks that you should have in your watch list to keep an eye on until it goes down for whatever reason. If the price is good, you buy some, and then you wait until it goes back up and you sell. But I believe Warren Buffett's investment strategy is he likes to hold long term, collect dividends. But I mean, if you hold long term and collect 2 or 3% dividends per year, you still need to buy at the right price. So timing is important. You can't just buy at any price and then just collect dividends, because you could buy high, it goes down. You could buy at 90, it goes back down to 70. You're collecting 2% or 3% per year, but you just lost 20% on your holding. So timing is important, but at least you know what to look at, which stocks to follow. Coca-Cola obviously is a very good stock to buy, but if the price is right, of course. So yeah, I think I put something on. I put an order on Kraft Heinz. Okay, no, I think I put one and I canceled it. Oh, I also bought GE, General Electric. Here, let's look at my holdings. Account information, account holdings. See, I bought GE. Here's GE. I bought it at 17 yesterday, and then but it went back. It went more down today. See, it's at 16 today. So I bought it. I think I bought it too early. I should have waited a bit longer. But it's been like 4 weeks that I've been looking for something to buy, and I didn't buy anything. So I was kind of impatient. I guess that's a mistake from my part, is not being patient. So yesterday, when I saw it drop a bit, I'm like, okay, let's just buy in. If it goes lower, I'll buy some more. Right now it's at so yeah, I bought at 17, but right now it's at the next day it dropped to 16. So I already put an order on 15. So let me show you the order status. So GE buy 66 at 15. So if it drops again to 50, if it drops to 15, I'm gonna buy some more. So this was my order yesterday. GE at 17, 58 shares at 17. So I only put in $1,000 per trade. So if it goes in at 15, if it reaches 15, then my average will be $16. If it doesn't, then it's going to go back up. So I'm fine at 17. So to place an order, I showed in one of my other videos, but I can show it here again. So what I do in Investor's Edge is I go to quotes and research. I look up the stock here. So GE US, it's already in the list here. So it's going to tell me GE is already in your list. And then I just click on trade here. It's going to bring me to an order stock order entry. I choose the account. I click buy. Symbol's already there. US market, it's already there. So the quantity of shares I want to buy at what price. It's always best to use limit. At market, it's going to buy the price that it's at right now. But at limit, you tell it I want them to buy that stock at this price. And the order expiry. So the order is good for 1 day or it's good for 30 days. So you could choose the date. And paid from which account, depending if you have several accounts or not. So let's say I have $1,000 that I want to invest, and I want to buy the stock at 15. So I'm gonna divide first I should remove the $7 fees, and then I'm gonna divide the rest by the price, so 15. So that means I can buy 66 shares of that stock. So here I'd put 66, and here I'd put the price that I want to buy it at 15. So that means that whenever the stock goes down, if it reaches 15, it'll automatically buy for me, and I just click next and confirm. That's it. That's how you place an order on Investor's Edge. And now on Questrade, I already have an order on Intel at 40, but it didn't reach 40. Like as you can see, the bad news came out on Intel that it had someone hacked into their chips, and so important information was made public. The stock went from I think 45, 46 to 44, 43. It even reached 42. But I estimated that it would reach 40, but it didn't. It reached 42 and then it went back up. Here, let's look at it. INTC. If we look at 5 days or 1 month. So yeah, look, it barely reached 42, 42.97. But then it went back up to 44. So I missed out on that stock because I thought it would reach 40 and I was comfortable with buying at 40, but the lowest it went was 43, and now it's going back up. Maybe it'll go back down, but for the moment it doesn't look like it's coming back, that it's going back down. So that means the bad news didn't have that much of an impact on that stock, because that's how strong that stock is. So I'm going to cancel this stock. So in Questrade, to cancel, you go in orders, just click on it, and then you have cancel all INTC orders, cancel. So now I have a balance of 25.35 US, and I want to put an order on KHC. Actually, it's at 79 right now. I'll put an order at 78. Actually, let's look at it. 1 month, 77.50. So 52-week range is 75 to 97. I'm gonna put at 77. I'm gonna put an order at 77. So what? So I've got 25.35 minus the fees divided by 77. So I could buy 32 shares. So I'm gonna look up the stock, KHC. Kraft Heinz. It's trading at 79 now. Click buy sell. I get an order entry here. How many shares did I say? Oh, I forgot. I think 30 something. 25.35 minus 5 divided by I said 77. So 32 shares. So 32 shares, limit at 77 price, good till cancelled, coming out of my TFSA. Buy. So 32. So cost of trade 32 times 77, 24.64. I have 25.35, so that's enough. 495, 66 fixed net buying power. Okay, So 32 times 77 by 32 KHC at 77. Okay, I'm comfortable. Send order. So now if I go back to account, orders, KHC accepted by 32.77. So that means that whenever the stock reaches 77, it'll buy from me automatically, whether today or in 30 days. The duration here is good till canceled, so until I cancel the order myself. So I put all these stocks in my watch list, but I on an app. I use Yahoo Finance on my phone, and I put this all in my watch list. So every day I just look at it, see if anything drops hard, and then yesterday I noticed GE fell, so that's what made me buy it. But I guess I bought too early because it dropped some more today. But it doesn't matter. I looked at some reports and it says that it's a buy, and it's a buy recommendation, and that it should reach like 21 in the next year. Here Morningstar says fair value is 22. CFRA says hold, but 12-month target price 22. Yahoo also 21 also. And so 3 different sources say that the 1 year target is above 20. Market cap 140 billion. So yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's doing something right, that's for sure. So yeah, that's how to trade on the stock market using Questrade or CIBC's Investor's Edge. How to view Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Thanks for watching. If the video was useful, please share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Also, if you have any stock tips, also leave them in the comments. If you're looking at a stock you're thinking of buying and you're not sure, just leave them in the comments. We'll look at it together. Thanks for watching.